You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American golfer. If you want to learn more confusing names from golf that many get wrong, stay tuned to the channel. We've got tons coming up for you. Xander. So I put the English pronunciation, phonetical pronunciation on the screen underneath his name, Xander. So it's not Xander, Xander Schauffele. Yeah, I know. That's the way it is pronounced. Xander Schauffele. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.